Good morning, dear students. Welcome again in online classes. I hope you all are fine at home. Our summer vacation is over now, so we will start our study again. My name is Rajni and I am teaching you EVS. In previous classes, we read lesson 1 to 6. Now, from today, we will revise all the chapters of first semester one by one for our examination. So today we will start the revision of lesson 1. Okay. So this is our lesson 1. Lesson 1, introducing myself. In this chapter we read about how we have to give our introduction. In introduction, first we have to say our name. I am, what is your name? First you will say that. After that, you are a boy or a girl. I am a boy or girl. Then my birthday falls on your birthday date. I am dash years old. How many years you are old, that date, that years you will mention here. Then I study in dash, where you are study. First you will write the school name. Then I am class, in which class you are study. I live at, your address. My father's name, here will be your father's name. My mother's name, and here will be your mother's name. Then I have dash brother and dash sister. You will fill the number of brother and the number of sister. After that, the last thing is my phone number, means your parents' phone number. So first, in this chapter, the first topic we read about how we have to give the introduction, and then you used to wear a identity card, that is ID card. All the instruction is written on that. Your ID card tells about you. And after that, we read that each one of us is unique, means all are different. Next thing, like and dislike. Everyone's likes and dislikes are different. Everyone has or his or her like and dislikes. In this chapter we read about like and dislike. Some students like badminton, some students like football, some students like white dress, some students like pink dress, like this. Everyone's like and dislikes is different. After that we read about hobbies. Hobbies are activities we like to do in our free time. Hobbies are activities, any work which is done in our free time, that is the hobby. And every person have different type of hobby. Some like playing, others like reading, and others like cycling, dancing, singing, listening music, swimming, drawing, and coloring. It means different person have different hobbies. Yes, some hobbies is mentioned here. Maybe your hobbies are different from the given picture. So in this chapter we read about hobby also, and after that what you have to learn from the chapter, that is the worksheet. After this we will solve the worksheet. The first question is fill in the blanks. First I want to inform you that in your question paper, when fill in the blanks will come, the option will be given upside in the bracket. You have to find out the option, which option is right, and after that you will write down that option in the question in your answer sheet. But remember students, whatever option you got the answer, whatever, suppose you got this identity and you have to write down identity in your answer sheet, then see the spelling properly. Don't write wrong spelling, because spelling is given already. So see properly and write the spelling properly. The first question is given here, my dash card tells all about me. And in this two option you have to find out which one is the right, report or identity. The identity is the right option, so you will mention number 1. Whatever question is given in your question paper, you will mention number 1. If first question is fill in the blanks, then first you will write down first, like this. Now after that mention the this digit number, how many questions are there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever is there. First you will mention all the numbers, then after you will write only answer. No need to write down this full sentence, no need to write down copy all sentence. Just you will read the question in your question paper and find out the answer, and after that you will write down only answer in your answer sheet. Okay, so how you have to write down? Here you will fill identity, you will learn from the book and copy also, and in your examination you will write down mention number 1 and identity only. Okay, second one, the day you were born on is your dash, birthday or age. Which one is the right answer? Birthday. The day you were born on is your, when you born, that is your birthday, no? So you will write question number and you will write only answer in your examination. Whenever you are learning these questions or any exercises, learn the exercise and write the spelling in your rough copy, then you will learn properly. You will learn the spelling very carefully. Third one, activities that we like to do in our free time are called dash, likes or hobbies. We read here already. Hobbies are activity we like to do our free time. So here is written activities that we like to do in our free time, that is called hobbies. So here will be hobbies. You will write down hobbies. The next one, each one of us is unique or similar. Unique. Each one of us is unique. So you will learn like this, but in your exam you will mention only answer. Good. The next one is match the following. The first one is given birthday, second one hobby, and third one is ID card. Birthday, we will find out the answer here. Stand for identity card, the day you were born on, an activity done for pleasure during free time. So this is the right answer, the day you were born on. When you will write down in the examination, you will not match like this. You will write down the first number, birthday, then make a dash, then write the answer here. Okay. Then mention number 2, write down hobby, then make a dash and write down the answer in front of the question. In match the following, you will write question also and answer also. Both you will write down, but you will not match like this. First you will write question, word, and then in front of that question you will write down that answer. Okay. So second one, hobby, an activity done for pleasure during free time. Any activity which is done for pleasure during the free time, that is our hobby. The next one is ID card. What is the ID card? Stand for identity card. Stands for identity card. So match the following is over. Now there is the question answer. The first question, when does your birthday falls on? You know this answer very well. When does your birthday fall? My birthday falls on, you will write down your date. My birthday falls on. I have written the answers here to explain you only. My birthday falls on your date. How old are you? I am dash, whatever old are you. You will write the number in digit or alphabet. No problem. I am dash years old. Third one. Now next one, what is a hobby? You have written this question in the copy. What is a hobby? Activity that we like to do in our free time is called a hobby. We read already, backside also. Activity that we like to do in our free time is called a hobby. You will write like this. No need to write this question in your question paper answer sheet. You will write down the question number and you will write down the answer. Read the question from your question paper and write the answer in your answer sheet. Okay. And the last one is, one more question is there. It is given in your copy. What is your hobby? You will mention what is your hobby. My hobby is reading books. Okay, like this you will write the answer. So our first lesson revision is over. Lesson number 1, introducing myself, and in the next video, in the next class, we will revise this lesson 2, our body. Okay, thank you students.